Welcome to who anybody is watching this weather stream. We do have a hurricane that's moved and made landfall, and there's max gusts of 60 miles per hour winds, but the wind speed is 40 miles per hour. And there's the advisory 7. The advisory number is 7, and hit somewhere I do not know, but how it looked from the storm, this thing is why I moved up from there. Looks like it's moved up from there, and as it can continue, can possibly be stopped here. But we're not sure if that will even stop, as it looks of what we think it might look like. That's when it got hot. Let's go back over to our main weather event, which I meant for main weather event. For the Cincinnati areas, we're just getting clouds. No storms are nearly there. For Texas, we're seeing these storms pop up, and for the looks of that, that's all what it looks like on the clouds. For this storm right here, all of this could possibly go that way, even moving that way. But we want to keep watch for any rotation right here. Rotation spots supposed to be right here. Those are the two rotation spots we're watching. But we do have a flood advisory right here for Albertine. So, for what it looks like, that's just going to be a storm. That does not look like it's going to be a bad storm. We might have hail with this storm too. I'm not sure yet. But this is what it looks like for hail. Bright white means not very much. Blue's not very much either. But hopefully everyone has a good night and stay safe.